Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can generate a Facebook access token. Before we proceed, let's establish a clear understanding of what access tokens are. Access tokens play a crucial role in facilitating seamless server-side event tracking. They act as a bridge, enabling smooth communication between your server and Facebook, empowering you to track. Now let's generate a Facebook access token. Firstly, navigate to your Facebook Event Manager settings. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook Business Manager. Scroll down. Click on Generate Access Token under the Conversion API. Copy the code. Paste it. Save your pixel. Thank you.